Let's do this. My thing does not, maybe not work. Maybe it works. No, let's just test it out. What's something I can see that it's on? But no. It's not winning. Are you on? Yeah, you are. Okay, let's go. Fix you. I'm gonna write this. Write this. Let's see. When I say this, I mean this. Urgh. Do you have gas? Yeah, you have gas. Just saying, please don't let me. God, please don't let me fall and die today. Please, man. Kelvin, you're not scared. I'm not scared of anything. I'm not scared. I'm not scared of little Wayne. It's gonna take me a couple kicks, cause guess what? I haven't rode it in a week. Okay. 2. Dos más. It turned off. It is cold. Dos más. Dos más. Dos más. Shout out to my YouTube. It's raining, and it's raining. I don't give a fuck about rain. The rain can go on itself right there. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's right there. I missed it. My bad. I would have done it, but I didn't see it. My bad. You want to see another jump, fuckhead? It's cold as shit. Why am I doing this to myself? Look, ready? Sidewalk action! Right there, there's like this little thing on the sidewalk, like the cylinder box, like jump up. I'll show you. Look, you'll definitely see it. Woohoo! They're my favorite. They're my favorite. There's a flip. There's a coming down from here. I'm going home. It's too cold out. Screw the cold, guys. Hi. He's cold. I'll make a shot for the end of the video. Ready? Make a 360 ooga booga booga. 360 ooga booga booga. I made that on him. You know, y'all should go subscribe. Like, really? Like, seriously, it would help out a lot, bro. I'm just trying to make some enjoyable content. But I need subscribers to spread my community. Oh, I almost fell. Well, with that, I'll say oogalus boogalus to you guys. Have a good night.